Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain you the relational operator in C programming language. There are 6 relational operators in C programming language. Is equal to, is not equal to, is bigger than, is smaller than, is bigger than or equal to, is smaller than or equal to. Normally we use the relational operator to compare the value of two operands. For example, I have A equal to 5, B equal to 6. So we use the is equal to operator to compare the two values. A is equal to B or not. For example, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. So 5 is equal to 6 or not. It's not, it will fail. It's correct, it will true. It's not equal to relational operator. For example, A 5, B 6. 5 is not equal to 6 or not. True, because 5 is not equal to 6. So here it will true. It's bigger than relational operator. For example, A bigger than B or not. A 5, B 6. So A is not bigger than B. So it false. Is smaller than operator. For example, A 5, B 6. 5 is smaller than 6 or not. 5 is smaller than 6. It's true. So this one is true. Is bigger than or equal to operator. For example, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. A is bigger than or equal to B or not? It's not, so it false. Is smaller than or equal to operator. For example, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. So 5 is smaller than or equal to B or not? Yes, 5 is smaller than or equal to B, so it's true. Normally, we use the relational operator with condition. What is the condition? I can give you an example. For example, I have value integer A and B. And then I give A equal to 5, B equal to 6. And then I use conditional if is. Here I use is equal to, for example, is A equal to B. Then I print here A is equal to B. So I can run it. You don't see the result because A is not equal to B. But if you give A equal to 5 here, you see A is equal to B. Let me run it. You see A is equal to B because this condition is true. When the condition is true, it will work. The statement inside the condition. If is a condition and printf is the statement inside the condition if. For example, I use this operator. I can use this one. A equal to 5, B equal to 5. A is not equal to 5, true or false. it false, right? A is not, you should use this one, yeah. A is not equal to B. It will work here. Or I can say that this mistake, it work here. Okay, let me run it again. It work here. Let me give an example of bigger than. For example, I use here bigger than, and then you see A equal to 5, B equal to 6, and then it will compare here. A 5, B is 6, so 5 bigger than 6. It's true or false? Is it false? It doesn't work here. If it's true, it will work here. So let me run it again. So it false. When it false, it doesn't work inside the condition if. So I will change the value to 4 and I run it again. It work here. Why it's work here? Because 5 is bigger than 4. You see, 5 is bigger than 4. This condition is true, and when the condition is true, it will work here. Let me give an example of smaller. I can use smaller here. Let me run. It doesn't work. It doesn't work inside the condition. Because 5 here smaller than B equal to 4. So 5 smaller than 4 is not true. If it's not true, it doesn't work. So it doesn't work here. I can give B equal to 6. When I give B equal to 6, it works here. Why it's work here? Because A equal to 5, B equal to 6, 5 smaller than 6, it's correct. That's why it's work here. Let me give you an example of is bigger than or equal to. Is bigger than or equal to, for example, A is bigger than or equal to B. If A bigger than or equal to B is true, it will work here. So let's see the value. Value is 5, bigger than or equal to 6 or not. It's not, so it falls. When it falls, it doesn't work. Let me run. You see, it doesn't work. But when I give this value to 4, it works here. You see, because 5 is bigger than or equal to 4. If I give the value here to 5, it's also work. Why it's also work? Because this operation mean bigger than or equal to. So is it bigger than? It's true. Is it equal to or also true? So this one is true. This statement work. Let me give one more example. Smaller than or equal to. For example, smaller than or equal to. Let me run. It work here. It work here because the statement is smaller than or equal to. So smaller than is true, equal to is also true. Then A equal to 5, B equal to 5. So A equal to or is smaller than or equal to B is true. Let me change the value to 4 here. For example, let me run it. It work here. It work here because the statement is correct. A equal to 4, B equal to 5, 4 smaller than or equal to 5 is correct because 4 is smaller than 5. Let me give the value b a to 6, then run again. It's not work here. 6 is not smaller than or equal to 5. That's why this condition is false, and then it doesn't work for this statement.